I'd say most of us could use a break. We had significant rain over the weekend. We broke a record at DFW yesterday. And these are some of the two-day totals, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of rain. Some spots even greater than that. Glen Rose, 5.84. We had Wendy and Sanger, 7.5 inches of rainfall. Valley View, 9 inches of rain. That's why we had all those flash flood warnings. So it's good that for the most part we're drying out this week. But with that being said, this ridge in control, it's all about the heat and humidity, with a triple-digit heat index in the afternoon hours pretty much every day. Today, the rain chance is extremely low and just for areas south and southeast, thanks to that southerly wind bringing in some of those Gulf Coast showers for us. High pressure is in charge, so like I mentioned, not much rain in this forecast. By the weekend, that ridge will shift a little bit. It'll weaken some, and I do think we have some better opportunities for thunderstorms at that point. 92 today, so we're not that far off from our average high of 90. So low to mid 90s each and every afternoon, but your feels like as high as anywhere from 100 to 104, 105. We can't rule that out. We're not talking heat advisory criteria, but if you have respiratory issues, if it's just difficult for you outdoors with this kind of heat, stay inside. Find a nice way to cool off. And if you know folks coming in from out of town, just warn them, because it doesn't feel so nice. Mid and upper 70s this morning. Our south wind up to 15 miles an hour with higher gusts. And we are going to quickly climb. Now, I know we have a lot of clouds this morning. I don't think we'll see as much this afternoon. That upper low has moved away, but it is bringing some strong to severe storms through parts of southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. And then with our south wind and heating of the day, will help transport some of those Gulf showers into our south and southeastern counties. Morning hours climbing through the 80s, near 88 already by noontime. Our southerly wind will be up to 25 miles an hour. We get a few of these pop-ups. Any thunderstorms that develop, kind of like what we had this weekend, producing very heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. I've got us at 92. Your feels like closer to 100, 101. Once the sun sets, things quiet down. We've got more of the same. Very warm and muggy overnight, mostly mid 70s tomorrow morning. Low clouds come up again from the south. That southerly breeze not going anywhere. I do think we get a little bit more sunshine tomorrow afternoon, so that'll likely help the temperature climb another degree or two. I'm keeping the forecast rain-free for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and through Thursday. Thursday night into Friday, we're likely to see some thunderstorms from Oklahoma, and then we could have more activity getting through your weekend. There's your forewarned 7-day forecast. 92, feeling like triple digits again today. Low chance for a shower or rumble south and southeast only. Down to 75 tonight, 93 tomorrow. Mid 90s, kind of the norm here through this extended forecast. We'll keep an eye on these thunderstorm chances. Odds are it's looking more like Thursday night into Friday, and then again late Saturday into Sunday.